Let's learn Python's core data types in 1 minute. First up, we have integers, or int for short. These are simply whole numbers. Next, we've got floats. These are decimal numbers, and you can think of them as floating between whole numbers. Next up, we have strings that are used for text. You define a string with either single or double quotes. Then we have booleans, often referred to as bools. These represent true or false values and are typically used in conditional logic. In Python, booleans must start with a capital letter. Next up are lists. Lists are ordered collections of items like numbers or strings, and they're defined using square brackets. You can store just about anything in a list. Next, we have tuples or tuples, depending on how you pronounce it. They are like lists, but they are immutable, meaning once they're created, they cannot be changed. Tuples are defined using parentheses. And finally, we have dictionaries. Dictionaries store data as key value pairs, like a real-world dictionary. They are defined using curly braces. And that's a super quick overview of Python's core data types. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.